All right, you guys, we are live in Bandon, Oregon, and it's a big night in the town. Everybody's out there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a ton of people out here. And this is the lighting of the Christmas tree in downtown Bandon, kind of kicking off the season. They had a big all-night shopping night where all the stores were open, and so we're waiting for the countdown. And it is, I don't know if you can see the flag up there. Hold on just a sec, I'll show you. There. It's a little windy and rainy down here on the Oregon coast, but that's kind of how Oregon is. And we got the guys here, right here. In fact, this is your behind the scenes look. Show your face. That's the guy. He turns on the plug. That's the other guy. He turns on the other, that's Steve actually down there. He turns on the other plug. And I'm going to show you the tree. And we are right in downtown Bandon, Oregon. So we've had a great trip here. Had a really good trip here along the southern Oregon coast. We had a major storm while we were in Port Orford. We got to see a river breach, which is something no one gets to see very often, and you could go back and find that video. So that was pretty dang cool. We've met the nicest people, seen new stores, new places, a lot of innovation from Langlois. And you're going to see a lot more next week, tomorrow, and through Thursday when we pick our winner on our getaway package. So be sure you get in on that. And people are starting to pull in here. Okay. And there's going to be a countdown. And then the Christmas tree in downtown Bandon, Old Town, will open. We want to thank all the people in Bandon and Port Orford and Langlois. You guys have been super hospitable to Kathy and me. And so we are very wet. We just want to thank everybody for being so kind and nice this whole week. And we will have more stories Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday coming to you, and we will pick our winner of the contest on Thursday. So you'll get 4 nights, 2 nights in Bandon, 2 nights in Langlois, a bunch of coupons for food and drink and all kinds of stuff. So
lodging.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it on.
So there you have it. This is Exploring on the Oregon coast. And thank you, Bandon, for all that you did. And we'll be still posting more stuff for the next few days, so you'll see more. But we're leaving tomorrow to head home to our real job. And again, pretty cool stuff, huh, honey?
Yeah, it's been a really fun week on the South Coast. Very hospitable people, and just been a really good time.
So it's off. Christmas season arrives.
Yep.
And everybody's kind of heading out fast because it is a wet, really rainy night. And so here we go. So there we are, somewhere in there. So Kathy and I are going to go get some dinner at a local restaurant. Said they'd feed us tonight, which will be really fun. And we have just had a really great time. So we want to thank people in Bandon, Port Orford, and Langlois. And hi, Pepper Smelser, how are you? So have a good evening. Share these on your pages, and be sure and get in on the getaway contest, because we'd love for you to win it so you can come down and experience some of the things we did and the people. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.